Right. Okay. We are going to talk about NTC thermistors, right? NTC means negative temperature coefficient thermistors, right? So let me draw the circuit symbol for the thermistor, right? Of the thermistor is given by, right? This is the symbol for the thermistor, right? The next thing that you should know the function, right? Uh, of a NTC thermistor. This is the whole thing about thermistor. If you understand this thing, you understand thermistors, right? Okay. So if I write that, what a function, right? Function of a NTC thermistor, right? This is the case when temperature increases, when temperature increases, resistance decreases, right? When temperature increases, right, the resistance decreases, right? When temperature increases, resistance decreases. So if I draw the IV graph of a thermistor, let me draw the IV graph for a thermistor, right? This is my y-axis, I, and this is my x-axis, which is V. And here, if you draw the graph, you get the graph like this. Here you can see the resistance decreases, right? Here from this region, you can clearly see the resistance decreases, right? It is the opposite of the IV graph of a filament lamp. So I'm again telling you, you must know to understand a thermistor, the function of a NTC thermistor. When the resistance, sorry, when the temperature increases, the resistance decreases, right? This is what you must understand about thermistors.